Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you what I got in my March Ipsy bag. I feel like I waited forever to get this in the mail. I had to go through all of my friends getting theirs before me and watching everybody do hauls online of what they got, and I feel like mine just came so slow in the mail, but I'm so glad I finally got it. Here is what the bag looks like for this month. I think the bag for this month was super creative because you can draw on it. They sent markers, and I got a yellow and pink one, and so that'll be kind of fun to color it in. I know that adult coloring books are like really in right now. So yeah, this was just a really cute idea. It's something different. And the first item that I see in my bag is a skincare product, and it is a facial detox solution by Goldfaden MD. It says this purifying mask effectively draws out bacteria and pore clogging debris, revealing clearer, blemish-free skin. So that's kind of cool. I personally do have acne-prone skin, so it is nice to have products that I will personally be able to use. Of course, that probably has to do with the test that I took before I signed up for Ipsy, and I did state that I had acne-prone skin. The next product that I got in my bag is a Glossier Coconut Balm in the flavor coconutbalm.com, and it doesn't have too much of a scent. It does smell a little bit like a coconut balm. Here, I have heard recently everybody raving about this brand. It'll be fun to try this out. It doesn't really state what the product does, so I'm assuming you can use it in several ways, but it's really, really tiny. I feel like it's just so tiny. I don't know. You wouldn't be able to test it for very long. It feels like Vaseline, and it has the same consistency as Vaseline. So I feel like it's basically coconut Vaseline, but it smells good. I got another Dirty Little Secret cosmetics item, and personally, I feel like I'm starting to see a lot of the same brands being partnered with Ipsy, which is probably how they are able to send products that are cheap by partnering with certain brands. But I would like to see more variety because I'm kind of tired of seeing the same brands over and over again. And if you don't like it once, you're not going to like it if you keep getting it over and over again, you know what I mean? I'm a little put off by this because it did come dirty. There is product on the outside, like, I'm not sure how much they had to shake this up to get it to fall out, but like also listening to it, it also sounds like it's not properly glued in, and I'm really scared that it's gonna break soon. But it is a baked highlighter. It is in the gorgeous shade Prosecco. This is what it looks like. And here it is swatched. I am excited because this is my first pink highlighter, and it is very shiny. However, when you blend it out, it's almost like not there. Let me try it on my cheeks and see if it's different. Oh my, there's a lot of kickback. It's very powdery. I don't even know if I can tell what it looks like. Okay, so I just looked in the mirror, and it is very, very subtle. Like, you can barely, and of course I already have highlight on underneath, but it's so subtle you can barely see it. It mattified my skin a little, if that makes any sense. It's just barely pink, but I feel like it definitely does not show up all that well. I'll try to get more use out of it and see if I like it later, because it is such a gorgeous shade. I really want to love it. It's just so subtle. The next product that I got is Tarte Sex Kitten eyeliner, and another stick eyeliner. They're always the same. You always get these in subscription boxes, in samples. It's just another stick eyeliner, basic sample size product. I'm honestly trying to decide if I want to keep this because it's one of the only like name brand ones that I have, but then again I've acquired so many of these that it's really used. And I don't even wear stick eyeliner. I always wear liquid eyeliner. So I don't know, I've acquired so many that I'm probably not going to keep it. And the last product that I got is a loose eyeshadow from Furless Cosmetics. And it's kind of got like a fancy seal on it. It is in the shade Sinister. Loose eyeshadows are so scary to work with sometimes because they're so messy, but this does have a grate, which makes it a little bit easier. Okay, so I'm gonna swatch it. Okay, that was a really pathetic swatch, so I'm gonna try to do it again with a little more product this time. Okay, there we go. It is very bronzy. I have to say I've definitely seen more pigmented bronzes, particularly had one in a loose shadow, but it's a little disappointing in payoff. I can definitely see my skin peeking through. I don't know if that's showing up on camera, but it's not the most pigmented. And honestly, it's a little too dark for me to use. Once again, I think I've said before that with loose shadows, I am expecting to wear it on the eyelid, and this is a little too dark for me to wear on my eyelid, so I don't think I will be keeping this product. Okay, so that is everything that I got for my Ipsy bag in the month of March, and I am going to just do a quick breakdown of how I'm feeling with Ipsy as a whole. A couple things that I am starting to notice is the accumulation of wasted items that I'm starting to collect. And that goes for the bags as well as products. I don't know what to do with the bags. Obviously I can donate them and give them away, which I am planning on doing, but I feel like a lot of these are things that people wouldn't want, like my friends. Some of the bags are just really ugly. I think I've only been impressed like 2 or 3 times, and I have been getting Ipsys for a while now, and I'm also starting to accumulate just unwanted products. And what I mean by that is I'm finding out as I'm using them that I don't like some of these things. A lot of these things I just can't use. For instance, I got a lipstick last month that I thought was really pretty. It swatched really pretty, but once I put it on, it was ridiculously streaky. And that was, I think, the Mellow Liquid Lipstick, and it never even dried down. It just felt very cheap. And then another thing that I am accumulating is skincare products, and I already said on the test that I am not a fan of skincare products, especially because, once again, I have acne-prone skin. Because of the regimen that I have for myself, I have learned to keep it at a minimum, and I have learned how to balance my skin out so that I usually don't have breakouts. Now, when I'm being sent all of these skincare products, I can't always use them. I'm getting too many, and I can't try them, or I'm too scared to try them because I don't want to break out, obviously. And when they send so many of these products like masks and skincare, it's not particularly good for your skin to always be switching back and forth. Like, your skin needs a balance. It doesn't want to be messed with all the time. And skincare is important, don't get me wrong. Like, you need to take care of yourself. You need to make sure you're moisturized and wearing sunscreen and all these preventative and nourishing things you need to do. That being said, your skin likes to be comfortable, and when you're messing with it so often, it can make you break out. Even if you're using, things that help you out with acne, if you're using all these different products, you're gonna break out because your skin is constantly changing when you're constantly trying to change your skin. So I don't particularly enjoy getting so many skincare products and masks and stuff. Even though I have taken the test and specified that that's not what I want, it's still happening. and I'm usually not using any of it. I do like the masks because you don't have to use that regularly. You can use it like as a special treat, and I do like treating myself to face masks. But as for like the regular products, I'm not using the facial cleansers or anything like that, because I want my skin to be comfortable and I want to know the result. I'm always down for trying new things, but not at the rate that they're sending me, if that makes sense. So I'm just starting to notice that I have too many products that are just building up, and I'm getting more that I don't like than what I end up liking. Another thing that I wish I had put in my last video, but I didn't really think about saying it until after I was done filming, is that I was actually kind of disappointed in last month's bag. Not overall, I did have fun with it, but definitely with the ads that Ipsy's sending out, it's kind of like clickbaity in the sense that they're saying that they'll give you like these fancy name brands, but I'm not receiving many of those. A lot of them are the little brands that they're teamed up with, which is fine, but I kind of subscribed to Ipsy because I got kind of trapped into it by wanting the brands that they were advertising that they were gonna give, like Tarte and NYX and, you know, all these brands that I already know I love. And I do realize that a lot of people have signed up for Ipsy to try new things, and obviously that's kind of the point, but again, it's not exactly trying too many new things when they keep partnering with the same brands. And I found that the brands that they're partnering with I don't like after trying their products, so I would kind of like to see something different with that. I would just personally like to see a little bit more of an incorporation of like bougie brands. That's stuff that I personally can't always get. I mean, they're expensive, so like Ipsy kind of gives you the chance to be able to try things that you wouldn't normally be able to try. So I know it sounds like I've been completely ratting on Ipsy, and while I kind of am, I still think it's fun. I just need to figure out a way that I can get a little more profit for my buck. I need to figure out how I can like it a little bit more, and maybe that just means taking the test again and just making it a little more advanced. Like, I do not want skincare, I do not want this, I do not want that. I personally don't know how much longer I am going to keep up my subscription, because I could just be taking $10 and going to the store and getting myself something that I know I'll love. I think one of the big reasons that I am still subscribed, even though I've been a little disappointed with the past couple of bags, is because I love surprises. I'm such a sucker for surprises, and getting something in the mail each month that has like, it's kind of like gifting myself, but I don't know what I'm getting, and it's like my birthday every time it comes in my mail. And I just think it's so fun opening it up and like being surprised by all the different things that I get. So that element is keeping me subscribed, because I get so excited every time I see that my Ipsy has come in the mail. However, I'm just not sure how much it's actually worth it in the end, when in the long run I am kind of disappointed. So I'm probably going to keep it for a little while longer. I'm not sure. Those are just my thoughts. I'm not ratting on Ipsy. Other people still love it. I still get excited. Still, like I said, I'm not quite ready to give it up yet, but I would just like them to do a little bit better, or else I might be unsubscribing. As for this month's bag as a whole, I guess you can say that rant came from how I feel about this bag and a little bit of the last bag that I got. I am kind of disappointed. I can't use the loose eyeshadow. They're gonna have to stop sending me loose eyeshadows if they keep sending me ugly colors. Once again, we got the skincare product. At least it's for acne skin. We got the Glossier lip balm. It's just so freaking tiny. It's so tiny, and it felt like Vaseline. I don't know. And then I wanted this to work so bad. It's so gorgeous looking at it. And y'all know I love pink already. This is not a secret. If I'm not wearing black every day, I'm wearing full pink to the point where it's kind of an eyesore, but I love it. I really wanted this to work, but as you can see, nothing changed from the start of the video with my regular highlighter to putting this on, and it just kind of made my skin look ugly up close. Kind of a sad haul. Not much that I can actually use, so that is all I have to say. I hope to see better results next month. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you for tuning into my channel, and I will see you guys later. Bye.